I've been saying it for years, but AI influencers are the future. You can genuinely forget Bitcoin the more mainstream it becomes, because AI influencers and garnering attention is the new currency. I'm being 100% deadly serious. Think of media companies, think of social media companies, think of influencers on those social media platforms. Those are the ones where the money is now curated from. Every brand, every business wants to promote on these platforms, and they want influencers to promote their products for them. And therefore, having an influencer who is AI generated is a literal asset. The reason why being an influencer or having, an influencer management agency is not an asset is because you are only one person, or you can only, survive on those people if they do the work and if they stay relevant. Whereas if you completely own the influencer itself, you own the asset. That is your model. That is your property. You control where they post, what they post, how much content they take, who works for them, who works with them, which brands they promote, etc. You are them and you own them. And therefore, the future of the OnlyFans industry and the future of making vlogs for YouTube and all this kind of shit in the entertainment industry will be taken over by AI. It just will. It's just a fact. The whole world will one day, within the next 10, 20, 30 years, revolve around AI, and creating and creators are right now the key to wealth. This opportunity will not last forever. Everyone knows, every big corporation knows that AI is going to be the future, and every corporation knows that influencers are the modern way of garnering attention, and therefore they will put two and two together eventually. And companies such as Disney, companies such as Pretty Little Thing, Nike, these massive corporations will begin to leverage AI models in order to promote their products and to garner attention on social media. It's just a fact. They no longer need models for their photo shoots because they can create the perfect human however they want it. They don't need to pay photographers, they don't need to pay for the studio time, for the cameras, for the equipment, anything. They can just simply create an influencer on a platform. It's going to cost them 99 cents to generate a picture, and they can show off their product or whatever it is organically with the click of a button. And it really is going to be that simple. And sure, it may be slightly more complex than that right now. However, it's not very far off, let's be honest. Why would these massive companies or OFM agencies still stick with real life or models or creators or whatever you want to, kind of group them into, when AI is becoming so realistic and scarily realistic at that they can not pay these people? It's the same for any business. Why would they pay influencers to promotion when there are AI creators who can do exactly that? And when these AI creators have big brands, which is, what I'm encouraging you to do in this video, build a massive brand, build massive social media following with these influencers, they have all the attention. They have the look, people watch them, people, look up to them. And as dystopian and scary as it sounds, this is not some sort of big, fantasy that I've created. People genuinely laughed at me 3 years ago when I said that AI models would be profitable, in fact, let alone take over the whole OnlyFans management industry, which we're not far off of, if I'm being honest in my prediction. And when you have an economy which relies so heavily on attention and on social media and on people to promote products, on adverts, etc., on news channels, remember that these are all businesses. The BBC is a business, NBC is a business, Fox News is a business, Instagram is a business. Big businesses can cut massive costs when it comes to cutting staff. That is the unfortunate reality. My point being, imagine you own an AI influencer with 1 million followers in 5 years' time when influencers aren't as prevalent, versus if you don't. If you don't, there's no chance that you're going to be able to ever promote products or anything ever again, because you're not going to build your own brand, let's be honest. And it's way too late to create an AI influencer because these massive companies are investing millions into promoting their own. So it will be impossible to, get eyes on from the public and gain a following by then. Imagine you own one. You will have opportunities like it's no tomorrow. You have people begging for you to promote their products. You have all these opportunities which you would not have if you do not start. And even if, promoting brands is not your thing, or not exactly even what I teach on this channel, you have to admit that that is a reality that will probably come true. On the flip side, more my kind of industry, the OnlyFans industry. Do you really think that OnlyFans models will exist without OnlyFans management agencies funding them? No, I'd say probably 95% of OnlyFans models have them, and the ones that don't probably fail, and the ones that, don't fail and have, earn a big amount of money will not be sustainable. And the reason being is because we can create infinite content in infinite places for infinite customers. And that's no joke. we can pay for people to make this content for us, and they can be of the same influencer, which, you know, these customers follow online, they like online, and they want to subscribe to and have paid to subscribe to be able to talk to them. So this video is more of a ramble than an educational one, which is kind of my normal style. However, I just wanted to make you all think about the real potential that we have in front of us and the real opportunity that you do not want to miss out on, because you will regret it. This is the next Bitcoin bull run. This is the next, you know, it's bigger than SMMA. In fact, it's bigger than a lot of these other business models that have come out, because this is attention and this is the reality of all the entertainment industry eventually. So if you want to get started, I have a completely free course. It's in the description. You can find it there. I also have a free community which comes with access to that course. So make sure you go check that out. I'm going to teach you everything from how to create AI influencers to how to market to then how to sell that content using OnlyFans, Family, and other platforms such as this for free. No holding back. Check it out in the description.